Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door gasket in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver and a plastic mallet. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door gasket. The refrigerator door gasket provides the airtight seal preventing warm air from getting inside the compartment. A bad door gasket could cause a higher than normal temperature inside the compartment, moisture buildup on the interior, and frozen airways between the freezer and the fresh food compartments, causing the temperature to increase above normal in both compartments. To replace the gasket, we need to open the refrigerator door. Alright, peel off the gasket, and then I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it out. I'm going to start it in one place. Alright, let's start peeling this old gasket off the door. Alright, and next we're going to clean the groove and the seat. I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver. I'm going to run it through the groove here. Make sure there's nothing in there. And then I'm going to use a sponge and clean the surface around it. And dry it out. This is the old refrigerator door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, this is the new gasket. This sleeve that goes all around the gasket is mounted inside the groove, which is also goes around the door. So I'm going to turn it around, place that on, and then we're going to start installing that lip into the groove. Press it in. I'm going to use both hands. I'm going to do one corner, and then I'm going to follow the gasket. Pay attention to the corners. Then you can use the plastic mallet to hammer the corners. Then check the gasket if it's installed all the way properly, and then I can close the door. Now we're going to check if it's tight. There's no any gaps. We did good. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.